Okay, so for this part of the exercise then, I'm going to attempt to bring on our animation. In this case, it's a swan which appears to be flying. If we have a look at the finished movie clip, you can see that the swan flies over the water as the water at the background appears to move. Okay, so looking at the library then, we can see the swan is highlighted here, which is at this point in time a movie clip. If I move the cursor over and double click, so we can see inside that movie clip, so click, click, and we can see now that the swan acts in a series of images. Our first image then is 2 frames, a second image there, which is a second image, image of a swan with wings in slightly different position. A third image of the swan, again wings in another position. Fourth image there, and fifth. And all of these images then, placed one next to the other on the timeline, give us the indication or apparent illusion of the swan as it flies and flaps its wings then. Going back then onto our scene, we drag the swan from the library and place it on our scene. Because this is a movie clip, we're dragging it in the form of an instance, and so we can drag as many of these instances of the same animation to appear on the scene. And we go back to test our movie to see what this looks like. Control, test movie, and you can see now that all swans appear to be flying in unison across the image as the background moves.